What's up, everybody? Uncle Chrissy here, going to show you a quick little tutorial today about getting rid of glue stains on your sneakers. It's part of the process. It happens. You see them with Nikes and Jordans all the time, and it's real simple to get rid of. I know we wish we didn't have to do it, but I'm going to show you what to do for it. So I just got finished with the sole swap on my dark mocha lows. Started with the powder blues, swapped the soles for the bleached corals, and definitely a little bit of glue here and there. Nothing to worry about, real easy to get rid of. So all you're going to need is a glue stain and one of these suede erasers right here. Real simple process. You can see, if you look right here, you can see some of the glue is actually run over from the sole from where I was patching them together. So we're just gonna take our suede brush, our suede eraser rather, and these are really easy. You can get these from all the cleaning product websites as well as on Amazon for much cheaper. So I recommend picking up a pack of these and always having them on hand for taking care of your kicks. So you can see the glue stain right there. We're just gonna, real easy, start to go back and forth on it. Sometimes they do require a little muscle. Starts to fray off from the shoe. Pick it off just like that, real easy. Boom. Another one right here. Some of them can be a little bit stubborn. Sometimes you got to use the long edge. That helps for like some of the little more difficult ones. You get a little more surface area to create the abrasion that gets it off of there. Boom. Again, nice and easy. So you see we got that part off there pretty well. Nice and clean. I'm going to keep going around some spots on the toe box. When I do sole swaps, I tend to get it, the glue stains on the toe box and on the heel. That's where it tends to spill over on me, probably because I got to squeeze the hardest to get it on there. Little spot right here in the medial panel. Okay. Oh. I think we're looking good. All right, I think we're looking pretty good here in terms of glue. I think this project is ready for some paint. Sweet. Stay tuned, click subscribe, follow me for the paint panels.